Hello guys, it's been a while. Yes, another unboxing. The box is upside down because for privacy reasons, but I will open the box right side up. So yeah, so let's see what I've got. You see what I see? Yeah, finally got it. Oh, here it is. The John Deere 460E dump truck. I've always wanted this dump truck for a while now, and I finally got it. And I'm not gonna unbox it because obviously I don't have a tripod. I gotta buy another one. So yeah, finally got it. So hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. There will be another unboxing soon in June. It's gonna be a birthday unboxing. So yeah, just wait and see. All I have to say is that the model is made by Conrad. That's all I had to say. So, thank you guys for watching. See you later.